What's good, family? It's ascendeddreamz bursting onto the scene with guidance to infinite love and access to positive energy. What's going down with my beautiful and loving travelers, man? We in the studio today, and I got a very important message to bring forth to you guys today. So today we're going to be talking about parallel universes and quantum jumping. So how does this relate to your spiritual awakening? So guys, when we speak in terms of the law of attraction and manifesting your dreams, manifesting your desires, quantum leaps and quantum jumps are going to be your best friend. So let's hop right off into it, guys. I got a lot to talk to you guys about. So first and foremost, we as multidimensional beings have access to infinite timelines, right? So when we speak in terms of manifesting what we wish to here on this earth, we have the ability to change our trajectory and emerge into a timeline that is most optimal and favors us highly here on the spiritual awakening journey. So how can you do this? Well, first and foremost, you have to understand your mind, because your mind is the most powerful, most densely ramified substance in this universe, guys. So with this awareness, you can change your intention, you can change your thoughts, you can change your actions to match the reality that you want to exist in, guys. So you have to become a vibrational match before you are able to actualize and materialize what it is you wish to here on this earth, guys. So how do you quantum jump? Quantum jumping starts with just setting your intention, guys. So right now, everything that you want, everything that you wish to receive already exists. It's just about becoming a vibrational match for which exists, guys. So you can do this by just changing up your routine, guys. Changing up your routine, eating higher vibrationally, and just doing whatever it is you can to visualize and imagine you living the life you wish to, okay? So this seems simple, and a lot of people are like, if I just think about this long enough, eventually I'll be able to manifest this reality. And this is true, but it has to be backed up with radical action, guys. Everything that you think, everything that you manifest inside of your mind has to come to fruition through radical action. So quantum leaping is possible because we are 1 degree away from what it is we wish to experience, guys. 1 degree. So every human being, every sentient life form, everything on this earth is only separated by 1 degree of separation. So when you put this in your mind, when you really begin to meditate on this idea, you realize that you are only 1 degree away from experiencing whatever it is you wish to experience here, guys. So all you have to do is set your intentions and visualize, okay? So this actually has to do with self-actualization, guys. Self-actualization is the practice of imagining your life in great detail and what you want to experience out of your life, okay? So it takes a little bit of work, it takes a little bit of building up that muscle memory, if you will, but eventually, guys, it becomes your reality, because when you think about something long enough, the universe has no choice but to respond to your dominant frequency, okay? So as multidimensional beings, we all have a dominant frequency, and that dominant frequency is made up of everything we tell ourselves on a day-to-day, the people we surround ourselves with, and the activities that we engage in on a day-to-day, guys. So this is going to be important when speaking in terms of multiple universes, parallel universes, quantum jumps or quantum leaps, if you will. And this is something that is possible for each and every one of you guys. I don't care if you're spiritual. I don't care if you want to manifest a car. I don't care if you want to manifest a career, manifest your dream partner, whatever it is you may be, you are capable of manifesting that in which you choose to. So it all comes down to choice, guys. Quantum leaping doesn't happen overnight, but if you make a choice, to put yourself in a reality that is highly favorable to you and to those around you, the universe has no choice but to respond to that, guys. So check it out. What you want to do to make a quantum leap is to hold a vision in your mind in what you wish to receive for 13 seconds every single day, guys. So this is just the basic steps that you can take to actually materialize and manifest what it is that you wish to, guys, because it's not as hard as people make it out to be. So this is something that doesn't typically happen overnight, but this is something that you have to work towards. You have to program your subconscious mind to align with the timeline that exists inside of your mind. What? Let me say it again for the haters in the... So guys, you have to become aligned with your optimal timeline that exists inside of your mind, guys. And how do you do this? Not by only imagining, not by only speaking higher vibrationally, but by also feeling Okay, this has to do with emotion. This has to do with feeling. So if you can feel what it feels like to be living in your dream life, to be living that life with your dream partner, your dream car, and your dream house, you are going to begin to attract that to you. So it's not going to materialize overnight, guys. This is not what I'm saying. This is a work in progress thing. Like, this shit takes a lot of work, guys. You really got to work that muscle. You really have to train yourself to feel, because we are creatures of feeling. We are creatures of emotion, guys. All right? So everything that happens in the mind is just a reflection of how you feel. Everything that happens in your external reality is just merely a reflection of how you feel. So when you go in and you change your inner world, your external world has no choice but to become a vibrational match to which you are focused on, what you are experiencing. So guys, where your energy goes, or where your attention flows, your energy goes, right? Or vice versa. So guys, it's important that every day you are using your mind, you are using your words, you are using all the tools necessary to make the leap into a higher dimensional reality, guys. So our minds are separated into 3 different spiritual levels, I guess, if you will. So we have the 4th dimension, we have the 5th dimension, and we have the 3rd dimension. So in the 4th dimension, everything that you want already exists. In the 5th dimension, unconditional love exists, okay? So in 3rd dimensional reality, we have to become focused. We have to become clear on what it is that we wish to manifest here. And the more clear and the more defined you can get with what you want to experience, the more the universe will work to match that vision. So guys, it's really all about just using your mind, using your heart, using your intuition, using your soul, using your affirmations, you know, eating higher vibrationally, connecting to the sun. The sunlight can give you guys a ton of insight on how you can actually merge into your optimal timeline. And this is because the timeline has so many different possibilities, guys, infinite amount of possibilities. So at the same time, you can experience whatever you wish. You can also experience the opposite of that, guys. You can literally experience the opposite in which you want to manifest, because wherever your attention goes, energy flows, guys. Wherever your attention goes, energy will flow. So guys, there is an infinite amount of possibility accessible to you right now. And all you have to do is align with what timeline feels most optimal to you. So guys, I want to be a YouTuber, all right? And this is one of the things that I actually utilized to help me become a YouTuber, guys. I didn't have any confidence 10 months ago. Like, I was literally just sitting around waiting for the opportunity to present itself in which I could get out here and speak to and connect to each and every one of you guys higher vibrationally. But it took time. So don't feel discouraged if there's something that you're working towards that you feel like you've been blocked by, guys, because you are going to encounter challenges here during this process of making a quantum leap into a parallel universe. That's just how it is, guys. There's always a time slate delay, because everything materializes in the 4th and the 5th dimension and then trickles slowly back down in the 3rd dimension. So you have to materialize, you have to create the world in which you want to experience in the 4th and the 5th dimension, in the higher levels of consciousness, before it can be materialized here in the lower dimension. So as above, so below, guys. I'm sure you guys have heard of this and are familiarized with this terminology. And this is so true in speaking in reference to parallel universes and quantum leaping. Because if you want to quantum leap, you have to first live there in your mind. You have to live there in your heart, and you have to live there in your mind. And only then can what you wish to experience materialize in this 3rd dimension. So no matter what path you're on, guys, no matter what it is you're going through right now, do your best to align with the most optimal timeline. Do your best to align with what feels right to you, okay? So parallel universes, right now, there is an ultimate level of awareness and existence playing out on higher levels of consciousness and lower levels of consciousness. So if you choose to focus your attention on the things that don't serve you, you will ultimately manifest that which doesn't serve you, okay? So this is how powerful the human mind is, guys. Focus your attention on what serves you. Focus your attention on how you can best serve other people and not just yourself, guys. And only then will you be able to make a jump into a parallel universe, into a universe that highly supports you as an individual, receiving whatever it is you wish to here on this earth, guys. So ultimately, man, it just comes down to your intentions. It comes down to what it is that you want to manifest. And again, the more clear you can get on what it is you want to experience in grave detail, the higher the probability of you actually living that timeline out becomes, all right? So I know this sounds complicated, guys, but work with me here. All you have to do is use your mind. All you have to do is use your heart. And all you have to do is take radical action to back up that vision that you have inside of your mind. Because you, as a limitless being, as a multidimensional being having a human experience, are capable of experiencing and manifesting whatever it is you wish to here, guys. It's ascended dreams, the collective consciousness of all of our dreams. So the quicker you can get to the understanding that anything you want is possible right now in this moment, by shifting your intention, by shifting your imagination, by shifting your affirmations, only then will you be able to experience the life of your dreams. And that's what we're after here, guys. If you're new to the channel and you haven't been a part of the journey, that's what we do here, guys, is help each other actualize and manifest each other's dreams. Because in fifth dimensional consciousness, all of our dreams are shared. All of our dreams are literally merged together, okay? The terminology dreams has ascended. The terminology dreams has made it to the fifth dimension. So dreams are really just the manifestation of all of our desires as human beings. The desire to live a life where everybody supports each other for our unique differences. A life where we can express ourselves to any degree we want to without feeling judged, right, guys? So with that being said, guys, use these parallel universes to benefit you, all right? Use the idea that we have ultimate access to infinite timelines to merge with your higher self, to merge with the outcomes that you see benefiting you in the future, okay? Because we have that power. If you don't take anything away from this video, realize that you have the power. The power's always been with you. It always will be. So just remember that, guys, all right? So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys connected to and resonated with this message in some way, man. To all my day ones, I appreciate you guys sticking it out. I hope this helped you guys just to realize that you can manifest whatever it is you wish to. There's no difference between me and you. We got to get through this together, all right? So with that being said, guys, if you're new to the channel and like this message and want to connect to more messages like these, man, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. And to all my day ones, man, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So you already know what it is, family. It's Ascended Dreams signing out. The word is love.